Love classic cars? You won't believe the legends behind America's top car clubs. Classic cars aren't just vehicles, they're rolling pieces of history. And behind every iconic ride, there's a community keeping it alive. Today, we're spotlighting America's top classic car organizations and resources. National Classic Car Clubs. From coast to coast, these clubs organize shows, auctions, and meetups, keeping vintage cars thriving. Preservation and Restoration Network's experts, resources, and forums guide owners on restoring cars to mint condition. Classic car events and shows. Imagine rows of gleaming Mustangs, Corvettes, and Cadillacs. These events are epic. Online communities and forums. Whether you need parts or advice, these platforms are gold mines for enthusiasts. Want to connect with America's top classic car networks? Visit a One Auto Transport to explore more and ship your prized ride safely. Check out a oneautotransport.com/paying-tribute. --America's-top-classic-car- organizations-and-resources/today.